Hey guys, this is Noel at Bishop 30 Solutions. You know, a lot of guys go to the range and they shoot their AR-15 and that's all they do. There's a lot of skills you need to know and be proficient with, especially when you're dealing with that platform. One of the basic things that's overlooked is the magazine change. Okay, there's a couple of ways to do it, and you need to be versatile on the way that you do it, because you don't know exactly what position you might be in when you have to conduct a magazine change. One of the primary ways that I like to do a magazine change is on the shoulder method. It's very simple. Boom, boom, boom. I've gone dry. All right, I pull the gun up, release the magazine, pull the next one in, and I use my thumb to release the bolt. I don't want to use my palm like they teach you in the Army, because a lot of times you'll miss it because it's kind of concave. All right, then I can pull it straight back on target and engage my target. The other method is the crook of the arm method. Okay, so boom, boom, boom. I've gone dry. Bring it down. I release the magazine. Insert out the magazine. Use my thumb. Bolt release and bring it straight back up. Now, both methods, whether I pull it up on my shoulder or it's down the crook of my arm, my workspace is right here. It's all in close. Okay, that adds to making sure that you get that magazine inserted properly the first time, and it's also a lot easier to see what you're doing. So, guys, I hope that helps. Little tip: practice, dry fire, dry fire, dry fire.